How to send USDT from Bybit to another wallet. If you want to send your USDT from Bybit to any other wallet, this is how you do it. First thing first, go ahead and open any other wallet that you have. Then you just want to head over to the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Once you get there, you'll see all of your assets. Now from here, tap on the withdraw button down below your balance, and then you are going to have to select the USDT from your withdraw balance. Once you do that, you are going to have to paste the address, your network, choose your network, and choose your amount as well. And once you have done all of that, you can choose a chain type. Now, once you've entered all of the values, you're going to have to open up your Bybit. Then simply go ahead and go to other wallet, tap on the assets tab. Then from here, you're going to have to tap on add funds. And once you click on add funds, from here, click on deposit crypto. Now, the next step is to choose the USDT from the network as well. And you will see your deposit address, and you are going to have to copy this address. Once you do that, go back to Bybit and paste the wallet address, and you'll have to enter the amount of USDT as well. Now finally, click on the withdraw button after everything is entered, and you should be able to withdraw the balance from Bybit to any other wallet. Now here is a security verification. Tap on confirm. It will give you a code on your email. Just enter that code and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.